So lemon juice is one of the riskier do-it-yourself home remedies that I would consider. It's got citric acid, which is a drying agent, and lemon juice is very rich in citric acid, which is, I guess, the idea behind using this as a treatment for blemishes to dry up the skin. But it's so drying that it really has such potential to irritate the skin. Lemon juice also is very rich in vitamin C, so potentially could be a brightening agent and help uneven pigmentation. But again, the problem is that you're going to wind up just irritating the skin so much because it's so acidic that it would not be worth the small benefit you get from it. So I would say that if you're going to use lemon juice, maybe on a pimple, you would take a Q-tip and apply just a very small amount just to the pimple and not the surrounding area, and then not even leave it on afterwards. It's maybe about 10-15 minutes, rinse it off. And if you're going to use it all over the face, I would definitely dilute it with some water. And I'm pretty sure you can find better ways to brighten the skin and improve blemishes than lemon juice.